quest for the lost star. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a tiny village called Starhaven, nestled between green hills and sparkling lakes. Every night, the sky above Starhaven glowed with the brightest stars, and the villagers believed that their luck and happiness depended on these twinkling lights. But one night, something strange happened. The North Star, the brightest and most important star in the sky, disappeared. The villagers woke up to find the sky darker, and the air felt colder. Without the North Star, the magic that protected their village started to fade. Meet the brave trio. In the village lived a brave and clever boy named Leo, his cheerful friend Ella, and their curious pet fox, Rusty. When they heard about the missing star, they knew they had to act fast. Without the North Star, Starhaven might lose its magic forever, Leo exclaimed. We can't let that happen, Ella replied, her eyes filled with determination. Rusty barked in agreement, his fluffy tail wagging excitedly. The three friends decided to go on a quest to find the lost star. They packed their bags with snacks, a map, and a small lantern that glowed softly in the dark. The first clue, the Whispering Woods. Their journey began as they ventured into the Whispering Woods, a mysterious forest where the trees seemed to whisper secrets to anyone who passed by. The leaves rustled, and soft voices surrounded them. Leo held up the glowing lantern, and suddenly the trees parted to reveal a path. It's leading us somewhere, he said. Following the path, they came across a wise old owl named Orion perched on a branch. I know why you've come, he hooted. The North Star has fallen from the sky, but finding it won't be easy. You'll need to prove your bravery, kindness, and teamwork. The owl handed them a golden feather and said, Follow the feather when it glows, and it will guide you. The enchanted river. As they continued their journey, they reached the enchanted river, which shimmered with colors like a rainbow. The only problem was there was no bridge to cross it. Ella looked around and spotted a group of water sprites playing in the river. Maybe they can help us, she said. The sprites, tiny creatures with glowing wings, were friendly but playful. We'll build you a bridge, they said, but only if you answer our riddle. The riddle was, I light up the night, but I'm not the moon. You wish upon me, and I make dreams come true. What am I? Leo thought hard and then smiled. A star, he exclaimed. The water sprites giggled and began weaving a bridge made of shimmering water droplets. You've solved the riddle, and you may pass, they said. The Mountain of Echoes. After crossing the river, the friends found themselves at the base of the Mountain of Echoes, a place where every sound they made echoed back 100 times louder. Rusty barked, and his bark echoed through the mountain like thunder. Wow, this place is so loud, Ella laughed. But as they climbed, the path became steeper and the mountain's voice grew louder. Suddenly, a troll appeared, blocking their way. Who dares climb my mountain? He growled. You must solve my challenge or turn back. Leo and Ella held their ground. We're on a quest to save our village, Ella said. The troll's eyes softened. If you are truly brave, then I will let you pass. You must climb this mountain with only the light of your friendship. The friends looked at each other, then held hands. With each they took together, the mountain grew quieter, as if their friendship calmed the echoes. The troll smiled and stepped aside. You've proven your courage, he said. The star is closer than you think. The Cave of Dreams at the top of the mountain, the friends found the entrance to a glowing cave. The golden feather from the owl began to glow brightly, guiding them inside. This was the Cave of Dreams, where the North Star had fallen. But something was wrong. The star was trapped inside a crystal cage, surrounded by shadows. "How do we free it?" Ella whispered. Leo spotted a riddle carved into the cave wall. "Only those with a heart full of light can shatter the darkness and bring back the star's shine." The shadows seemed to grow bigger, trying to scare them away. But the friends stood together, holding hands, and focused on all the good times they'd shared, helping each other, making each other laugh, and being brave together. As they remembered, their hearts filled with warmth, and a bright light shone from them. The shadows faded, and the crystal cage shattered. The North Star rose up, sparkling like never before. The return of the North Star. With the North Star free, it floated above them, casting a magical light that filled the cave. "You have saved me," it whispered. "Now I can return to the sky, where I belong." The friends followed the star outside the cave. The North Star rose higher and higher until it was back in its place in the night sky, shining brighter than ever. Orion, the wise owl, appeared again. "You've shown bravery, kindness, and teamwork. You're the true heroes of Starhaven," he said. Home again when they returned to the village. The sky sparkled with countless stars once more, and the villagers cheered for Leo, Ella, and Rusty. From that day on, the friends became known as the protectors of Starhaven, always ready for their next adventure. As they stood under the glowing sky, Leo grinned. "I wonder what our next adventure will be." Ella smiled back. "Whatever it is, we'll face it together." Rusty barked happily, and the three friends laughed as they watched the stars twinkle above. The end. Message for the kids. In this story, Leo, Ella, and Rusty show the importance of bravery, friendship, and teamwork. When we work together and believe in the power of kindness, even the most difficult challenges can be overcome. Call to action, eh? Kids, if you loved this adventure, don't forget to subscribe to Adventure Tales TV for more magical stories every week. And if you enjoyed Leo and Ella's quest, be sure to like this video and share it with your friends so they can join the fun too.